Okay, there's Ms. Williams.
Hello?
Okay, so Mr. Patterson, unmute yourself again, sir, and start your video.
He don't even have a phone, so we have to do it together.
But you both are in the same area?
Yeah, we have to do it together because he don't have a phone.
Okay, well then he just needs to be in the screen with you.
You see him right here?
That didn't look like Mr. Patterson.
It was, Judge, we have number 3 and number 4 is Patterson.
Did you call Kyla Williams and Jalen Patterson?
I did.
Yeah, that's
and then you know what? And Mr. Darren Patterson unmuted him. So I'm like, no, Mr. Patterson didn't look like him. Thank you, Ms. Hargis. Okay, it's Kyla Patterson and Jalen.
No, Kyla Williams, not Patterson. Kamari Patterson.
Williams, Jalen Patterson. Sorry. All right, Mr. Darren Patterson had unmuted. Got it. 4 on the docket calls 2407506 paternity. Would the parties please raise their right hands?
1 second. He don't know left from right, but
It's
look
my
at my
right
right hand.
I don't know left or right. It's my right.
You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
That's all we do.
You can put your hands down. And sir, please state your first and last name for the record.
Jalen Patterson.
And ma'am, your first and last name for the record.
Kyla Williams.
And Mr. Patterson, this is a court of law and it's virtual. So I'm going to ask that, your hair looks great. You can stop. Okay. Very handsome. And she looks wonderful too. And the baby. So we're all good. This is a court of law. So there's a certain decorum. Okay. And counsel for the state, please identify yourself for the record.
Mary Ann Warren, Assistant Attorney General for the state of Texas.
All right, Ms. Warren, you stated that this will be a hearing.
Yes, it's going to be entirely contested because
okay, and so how many minutes are you requesting?
20.
15 minutes. You may proceed.
I'll call Miss Williams. Please state your name, ma'am.
Kyla Williams.
Miss Williams, are you the mother of Kamari?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the father of that child?
Jalen Patterson.
Have you been married to anyone?
No.
Could there possibly be anyone else who is the father of this child?
No.
Has there been any family violence between you and Jalen Patterson?
No.
Has there been, is there any reason that your information should stay out of this court order for your safety or the child's safety?
No.
All right. Do you,
touch my child.
Ma'am?
I can say whatever I want to say on court.
Wait, who are you talking to, Miss Williams?
I was talking to Jalen Patterson.
I'm sorry, I can't even hear you. What did you say?
I was talking to Jalen Patterson.
Okay, well, you're right. You're testifying, and so he shouldn't be prompting any certain response in the background, Mr. Patterson. All right, go ahead, Miss Williams, and keep your face in the screen, okay? All right, go ahead, Miss Warren.
Miss Williams, do you want the child's name to stay Patterson, the last name?
Yes.
Are you agreeable to be joint managing conservators with Mr. Patterson of this child?
Yes.
With you having the right to designate the residents in Dallas and any contiguous county?
Yes.
Are you agreeable to a standard possession order for this child? First, third, fifth weekend?
I'm sorry, you cut off at the last part. I didn't hear you.
Okay. First, third, fifth weekends, alternate holidays, a period of time for him in the summer. Are you agreeable to that schedule?
What do you mean? We're doing joint custody?
Well, you already said you agreed to joint managing conservatorship, and I'm asking, are you agreeable to a possession schedule for this child? That's
no, I'm just, ma'am, I'm not trying to cut you off, but I'm just trying to close this case. Honestly, I do not want to do this.
Miss Williams. So wait, Miss Warren, 1 sec. Miss Williams, put your face in the screen. Next, Miss Williams, She's asking certain questions of you. Now, listen to me. Have you you've already spoken to a child support officer or an attorney this morning from the Attorney General's office. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. I've done this for a little while, so I know some things. If they're proceeding, and you don't even have to answer yet, I'm just going to cut through the chase. If you're receiving anything from the government, they're going to ask for their money. And they're going to ask for money from the father regarding Medicaid or CHIP. If you're receiving any food stamps, they're going to know. And I don't want you to tell me any of that. I'm just telling you, I already know. So if you receive any government assistance, housing, that would be Section 8, Medicaid, CHIPS, health and dental for the baby, food stamps, any type of daycare. When you apply for any of those services, that other agency tells the Attorney General's office, and the Attorney General's office files a case. The state of Texas wants all parents to be financially responsible for their children. So that might be why you're here, because I heard you said you want to close your case. If you do not receive any government benefits, anyone can close their case and you'll never see me. So I'm making some assumptions before she can even further get to the questions. So if you receive any benefits, there's going to be an order. If you run and go get your food stamps cut off today and run back next week, they're going to know because they're going to tell it. If you do that for the child for health insurance, they're going to know it because all those state agencies talk to each other. Now, most of the time, the child support officer has already told you all of those things. Maybe not in your case, but that might be your situation. I don't know yet because she hasn't gotten to government health insurance. I'm making an assumption because she wants to have a contested hearing. Now, with all that being said, she's going to ask you some questions. Then she's going to ask Dad, and then I'm going to make some decisions. Ms. Warren, you may proceed.
Okay. And so I was asking you about possession by Mr. Patterson of the child. Is there any reason to restrict his possession?
Oh, no.
Okay. And are you familiar with the standard possession order that I just reviewed?
Yes.
Are you okay with him having that amount of time with the child?
Yes.
Okay. Do you agree that his monthly resources are $32.93 and 33 cents?
Well, it might be a little less than that, but yeah.
Okay. Do you have any private insurance available to you at a reasonable cost?
No.
And to your knowledge, does Mr. Patterson?
Would you like to ask him or you have to ask me?
Okay. I can ask him.
No, because you're confusing her. Right now, she's asking you. Do you know if he has any? And then she's going to ask him some of the same questions.
Oh, okay, so I can say I don't know, right?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay, so I don't know.
What do you have for medical for the child now?
The Parkland Medicaid?
So are you agreeable with maintaining the Medicaid for that child?
I'm not sure because I've been getting letters that we may not get it and then we may get it.
Okay. If you qualify, do you agree to maintain it?
Yes.
Do you agree with the state's request for Mr. Patterson to pay $296 a month beginning September 1st, 2024 for cash medical?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Do you agree for the court to order Mr. Patterson to pay as cash medical support $296 a month beginning September 1st, 2024?
No.
Do you agree with the state's calculation for current child support by Mr. Patterson to be $503 a month beginning September 1st, 2024?
No.
Okay. Is it the amount you disagree with or just child support in general?
Just child support in general.
Okay. Has Mr. Patterson supported you since the birth of the child, November 28th, 2023?
No.
So do you agree with the state's calculation for retroactive child support in the amount of $5,030 as of August 15th, 2024?
What does that mean? Can I ask?
child support that was not paid from the time of the child's birth until today. We would ask the court to make a judgment in that amount. Do you agree with that?
That's a monthly amount that he should have been paying you since the baby is born, and they went back so many months since the child's birth.
Oh, okay.
They're asking, do you want back child support or not?
No.
Okay.
Okay, and then the state is, you understand the state's requesting that, and for that to be paid back at $66 a month beginning September 1st, 2024.
Yes.
Okay, so now the state has an interest in that. So that goes back to government benefits. And the state is requesting, you said 5,000 and what, counsel?
$5,030, so 5030.
And you're requesting a payout of what?
76.
That's your request. All right. Go ahead, counsel for the state.
And do you agree that retroactive medical support and dental support are both zero?
Are you actually talking to me or still talking to the judge?
I don't understand what you said, but my question was, do you agree that there's zero retroactive medical support and dental support?
Yes.
Okay. I will pass the witness and call Mr. Patterson. Please state your name, sir.
Jalen Patterson.
Mr. Patterson, do you agree that you're the father of Kamari Patterson, born?
Yes.
Okay, and you did not request DNA testing, is that correct?
No.
Is that correct? You didn't ask?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, and are you agreeable for the child's last name to be Patterson?
Yes.
Are you agreed to be joint managing conservator with the mother, with her having the right to designate the residence?
No, go back to family violence before you get to joint manager.
Right. Okay, any family violence between you and Ms. Williams?
You say, do I agree on joint?
No, I'm asking about family violence. Is there any family violence between you and Ms. Williams?
No.
Any reason why your information should not be contained in this order for your safety?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So do you agree with the child's name? I think I asked you that already. Do you agree to be joint managing conservators with Miss Williams, with her having the right to designate the residents in Dallas and contiguous counties? That's counties that touch Dallas.
Yes.
Okay. And is your income but before anything's taken out, $3,293.33 a month? Sir?
I can't hear you.
I said, is your monthly income before anything's taken out $3,200?
No, it varies. No, it varies.
Okay, so but you understand that's an average.
Yeah, it ain't an average of that. It just varies. You know what I mean?
What is the average, if that's not correct?
The state comes in strong, locking down the financials and demanding repayment.
Probably like 16, 17. Where y'all get that average from?
Are you a W-2 worker? You get W-2? Your employer. They can see it. Your employer reports it.
I know it ain't no average. It ain't no average of 32, y'all. Oh, I don't be seeing that.
Did you supply current paycheck stubs, sir, today?
Did I supply them? No.
Yes. Okay. Go ahead, counsel for the state.
Okay, and do you have any private health insurance available for the child at a reasonable cost?
No.
Any dental insurance? Do you have any dental insurance available to the child at a reasonable cost?
No, ma'am.
Are you agreeable with the mother maintaining government plan? The Medicaid?
What you mean by that?
The Medicaid? Do you agree with mother maintaining that for the child?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. And for you to pay $296 a month beginning September 1st, 2024 for cash medical?
No.
And why do you disagree with that?
Because I don't have it.
Okay. Do you agree with the state's calculation for child support of $503 beginning September 1st, 2024?
Oh, no.
And why do you disagree with that,
Same reason.
sir?
Same reason.
Because you don't have it?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have you supported your child at all since the child's birth?
I've been there every step of the way.
Okay. How much money have you given to the mother since the child was born for the support of the child?
We go buy together, we go together. I don't give her
What
money,
is
we go
that?
together.
Okay. So you've not
get
given
everything together.
Okay. Do you know how much money you've provided for the child?
A lot. I don't know the exact number. A lot.
Okay. And you understand the state is requesting a judgment against you of $5,030 as of August 15th, 2024. And that's to be paid back at $76 a month, correct? Do you understand that?
Yeah, I understand that part.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. And the state's also requesting that you pay court costs as billed.
Can you speak that 76?
The 76 is what we're asking to be paid towards this retroactive child support judgment beginning September 1st. Okay.
No.
So you disagree with that. Do you have another in mind? Do you have another? Okay.
What I'm there for, I don't see what the problem is.
Okay. No further questions of this witness, and the state's requesting Mr. Williams be ordered to pay court costs as billed.
Okay. So as I stated, when I was explaining to Ms. Williams, who wanted to close the case, you cannot close the case if you receive government benefits, any of them. And the state, your child does. And so I just need you to listen. I'm gonna put you on mute. What happens is, which I do understand, most people come here and they don't know. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you so you can go away and know. You're going to disagree, but I want you to understand, okay? So as I stated, the child receives government benefits. That means a parent applied for government benefits. That means Medicaid, CHIP, food stamps, possibly housing. The state of Texas, which is the Attorney General's office, is contacted by those other agencies that you asked for that assistance from, and they want their money back. And they want people to be financially responsible monthly for their children. So although mother wants to close her case, the law says I can't. And that's why the Attorney General's office filed it. Although the mother does not want any back child support, the state has an interest because they have put out benefits for the child. So with that being said, there'll be no family violence, joint managing conservatorship, a restriction to contiguous counties. Dad has standard visitation. There'll be medical support. They're requesting $296. I'm going to make that $250. That's for the child's health and dental beginning September 1. That $250 stays with the state. It reimburses the government for the government health insurance. If you think you can beat that at your job, check for benefits or call Blue Cross Blue Shield, Cigna. You're trying to beat $250 a month for health and dental for the child. If she ran and cut the child off today and next month the baby gets sick or needs vaccinations, same process. The hospital won't take her nor the doctor unless you're paying full amount. You got to have the Medicaid or CHIP. Child support 503 beginning 9/1. Although, as I stated, mother doesn't want back child support, there's some benefits that's been paid out. The state can see that too. They want their money back. There'll be a retroactive child support judgment of $5,030. The state is asking for $76. I'll make it $50 beginning September 1. Court costs assessed to the father 60 days from today's date. Now, if either one of you disagree with my ruling, appeal my decision. You would have to file it yourself or hire your own private attorney. The Attorney General's office represents only the state of Texas, not either party, and they would not assist with that. unless a district court judge changes this order, this becomes an order with or without your signature. They're going to send an income withholding order to your employer, and it will come out of your paycheck according to how you're paid. You're never to pay the mother directly. And as I stated, anyone who is a W-2 employee in Texas, the Attorney General's office is able to see your wages even if you don't bring your paycheck stub. So you're free to go. You both will receive a copy of the order via your emails. Have a good day. Anything else, Ms. Warren, you need?
No, ma'am.
Thank you.
The father denies income, refuses responsibility, and the judge fires back with precision, cutting through every excuse.